Hello guys, this is another tutorial for today. This is Kuya Novo, your coach. And open your window finder and then click your go and then go to folder. Click that go to folder and then start typing command forward / library / and then cache. Then you will see all those information there that you're going to delete. Click edit, select all, and then go to your setting and then move to trash. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. Until next time, this is Kuya Novo. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for you to be updated of our next video. Until next time.